1973 Plymouth Satellite Sebring Plus in the winter. December 29th.
That's how Mopar shoots down. That's fucking music.
Here's you starting to warm up. She's a mess.
Before, with no exhaust at all. This is after.
Yeah, the front end never really straightened out for some reason. Just different wheels, I guess.
A lot narrower.
This one looks good.
It does. It's not for sale ever.
We fought the fucking wheels and fought the fucking thing.
Tell us what it is, Jed. 451 stroker, tri-power. No leaks either. And quiet mufflers. We're taking a video, you cumper. You eat a dick. No more motorhome engine for my satellite.
There's a wire left right there.
I didn't do that. That's Michael.
Vacuum. Oh, I guess that.
What a beautiful noise. That's where she's going. That looks familiar. I wonder what it sounds like. Definitely a slant 6. It's definitely a slant 6. Sounds like a slant 6 with a really big vacuum leak. Look at that. Slant 6. Good fucking moving. That's the nastiest slant 6 I ever heard with a vacuum leak. My 73 Plymouth Satellite Sebring Plus with the Roadrunner hood. See? This is equipped with a 451 stroker big block Mopar with a homemade tri-power quote unquote 6-pack. No chokes, all mechanical. Did that myself. This car is completely ice cold, legitimately ice cold. These headers get hot enough that you don't even need the heater on. So let's get her fired up. All right, here we go. This one should be the hardest one to start, but in reality, Jezebel's the hardest. Okay, black car, black seats. This car's hot inside. All right. Give it about 3 or 4 full pumps. Give it a little one. Oh, music. Listen to music last time. I can't believe that. All right. This car is actually kind of neat because you can hear a tone difference once it gets fuel to the filter. Right now it's idling kind of lower than I wanted to, so let's get her up to temperature good enough we can walk around. All right, we're back. It's idling how she's supposed to, so let me just give you a little wah-bang. That's where the center tube barrel starts to wane off. This is a badass engine.